G'day. If you're in Australia, you may be finding it a bit troublesome to purchase a Steam Deck. I've been able to purchase one through a reseller on the Dick Smith website. I was able to get the 24 gig model, the 64 gig model for 812 Australian dollars. That's including postage. Granted, they are flickering around different prices nowadays. That seems to be about the norm. Being that there is no official way to purchase a Steam Deck in Australia, you either have to do some shonky importing or purchase it from a reseller. There's Dick Smith, there's Kogan, there's another couple of them, there's the eBay scalpers as always, but I purchased mine through Dick Smith, or at least on the Dick Smith marketplace. Right, now we're getting a fairly plain box. As of now, in February 2023, there's still no official Steam Deck reseller. So we are at the mercy of the importers and the scalpers. Sadly, these have been out for over a year now. There are alternative ones available, but being that the Steam Deck has the most support out there, I'll be inclined to stick with it. If this box has simply been turned inside out. No. We're just slowly unboxing the device. Curious to see what we get down here. See the word "in the test chamber" on the boxing right here. Good old Half-Life reference right there. Looking at the charger, we do have some generic charger. I'm not sure if this is the American style of plug. I'm assuming it is by the two cutouts here. So we'll need an adapter of some variety. Looking at this, the charger does go up to 20 volt, 2.25 amp. So it is a QC one or possibly power direct. Power direct, I would assume. Not sure what the wattage conversion of that would be, but decent sized charger. Some more packaging in there, health and safety, so on and so forth. Put that back in here. My initial thoughts when I first unboxed this was, is it going to be this long? Which is quite large. But no, it looked to be the case. Move that away, put that down here. What have we got here? We got a security seal by the look of it. We'll have to take that one off. There we go. And here we have a one chunky beast. Sorry, I meant to actually get that out, so I'll just use the thumbsticks. It's fairly large. Reasonably ergonomic, just by where my fingers are sitting. I do like the extra buttons down here, that does seem pretty cool. Overall, it does remind me of like an older, like 1980s style arcade machine. I definitely like the positioning. I like how the buttons are nice and high, same with the thumbsticks. I'm sick of having various game controllers where you see the, like a, is it RGK, I think it is? RGB, RGK. They make little, essentially 16-bit emulators or portable consoles, and the thumbsticks are down here. It's not comfortable. I like how it just kind of adapts to where my hands are resting. I do feel like these may be a little bit challenging to press, or at least for me. Results may vary. I'm finding my fingers are sitting higher rather than around. So if I sit there, it doesn't feel quite natural. It feels like I'm pushing it right on the corner. But at a quick glance, not bad. Not bad at all. SD slot down here, I'm assuming. To me, the build quality of this is better than the build quality of the Nintendo Switch, which to me sometimes just looks like a simple toy. Where this one, it looks like a bit more of some serious hardware. We'll be checking it out and see what I think. Bye.